Hello everyone, I have a question for you. Do you think that all metals can dissolve in acids? The answer is, not all metals can dissolve in acids in single replacement reactions. In our today's lesson, we are going to determine if the metals will dissolve in acids or not. The objective is to explain how to use a reduction potential table to predict in general if a metal will dissolve in acid and identify the acid that is an exception. So let's get started. So, what happens when we drop solid zinc into hydrochloric acid HCl? Or in other words, what happens if we pair the reduction of hydrogen ions H+ with the oxidation of zinc solid? We observe the reaction as the dissolving of the zinc and the bubbling of hydrogen gas. The zinc is oxidized by losing 2 electrons and form zinc ions, and the hydrogen ions are reduced to form hydrogen molecules. Note that this reaction involves the pairing of a reduction half reaction, which is the reduction of hydrogen ions, with the reverse of a half reaction that falls below it in the standard electrode potential table. Therefore, the reaction is spontaneous. If we have a closer look to the standard electrode potentials table, we can figure out, in general, metals whose reduction half reactions are listed below the reduction of hydrogen ions H+ to hydrogen molecules H2 in the standard electrode potential table dissolve in acids, such as zinc solid, while metals listed above they do not, such as copper solid. So, what happens when we drop copper solid Cu into hydrochloric acid HCl? Or in other words, what happens if we pair the reduction of hydrogen ions H+ with the oxidation of copper solid Cu? As we can see, the reaction is non-spontaneous because it involves pairing the reduction of hydrogen ions H+ with the reverse of a half reaction that is listed above it in the table. Consequently, copper doesn't react with the hydrogen ions H+ and doesn't dissolve in acids such as HCl. However, because everything has an exception, and nitric acid is an exception for this rule, as you can see, copper can dissolve in nitric acid to form a copper nitrate that has the blue color and release nitrogen dioxide that has this brown color and water molecules. This means that metals whose reduction half reactions are listed above the reduction of hydrogen ions to hydrogen molecules in a standard electrode potential table dissolve in nitric acid. By the end of our lesson, we can understand that most acids dissolve metals by the reduction of hydrogen ions to hydrogen gas molecules, and metals above hydrogen in the activity series dissolve in acids, while metals below hydrogen do not dissolve in acids. That was the end of our lesson. Thank you for listening and see you in the next video.